It's time to start planning for fall. Hi, I'm Kathleen Lawson. I'm a business strategist and I work with female service based business owners, helping them take control of their time and their business. So I know nobody wants to hear this, but summer is coming to a close in a few weeks and it's time to start getting refocused for fall, at least getting the plan in place. So, what do we need to do to get ourselves set and in the mode for fall? So the first thing is you got to sort out your calendar. So this is the time to look ahead, make sure that you've got holidays noted on your calendar. If you have children, you want to start scoping out the school calendar, sports calendars, getting all of those dates on your calendar. If you are planning on taking any vacation time or days off, you need to get those noted on your calendar and blocked so that you don't accidentally book meetings or anything. So that is the first step, really starting to sort out your calendar, and so that you don't end up having to spend time fixing things later on. That's the worst, when you accidentally book meetings on holidays or days that you had planned to take off. So get that all sorted. Second, you want to think about how your routines need to change. Most business owners that I work with do change up their routines during the summer. They are either um, they've got kids that they're working around, or they relocate for the summer, or they change up their schedule to maybe only work a few days, 4 days a week or something. So they do change up their schedule in the summer. So they have to now think about how they want their schedule and their routines to go for the fall. Also, a lot of people do take it a little easier during the summer. And if that was you, if your summer goals were more about keeping the trains on the track versus really pushing ahead, maybe now as we start to look at Labor Day and beyond, maybe it's time to get back to a different pace. So if you change things up during the summer and you now want to change back or make other shifts for the fall, you need to think about how your routines might change. And that might mean the pace of your networking, your outreach calls, um, posting on social media, maybe your clients changed up what they were doing there during the summer. So you just need to kind of give this some thought. How do your routines need to change as you start to move past Labor Day? And then stop and think about what you want to get done for the rest of the year. So you hopefully have some goals set. This is the time to stop, assess, see where they stand, and see what needs to get done for the rest of the year so that you can break it down and make a nice, solid work plan for yourself for the rest of the year. So, if you would like some support in creating your plan for the rest of the year, I do that one on one with clients through a laser consult session where we'll sit down and nail down your goals and create a plan. And then, if you like to do it more on your own, but with a little guidance, I do my CEO power planning workshops. And there's one coming up in mid September. So, um, time to start looking ahead. If you like this content, make sure you like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of our videos. Have a great day and a good rest of your summer.